What if your body started attacking itself? Sounds terrifying, right? Well, that's the reality for those affected by Guillain-Barré Syndrome, or GBS. But what is it, and why are we hearing about it more now? Especially in India. GBS was first discovered back in 1916 in France. GBS is a rare autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the peripheral nervous system, leading to symptoms such as muscle weakness, tingling sensations, and potentially paralysis. The onset is often sudden, with symptoms typically beginning in the legs and potentially spreading to the arms and upper body. Severe cases can lead to respiratory difficulties and require immediate medical attention. These days, GBS is becoming more prevalent, and we're seeing a surge in cases, especially in India. As of January 27, 2025, the number of GBS cases in Pune has risen to at least 111, with a notable increase over a short period. A man from Solapur has been reported as the first death linked to this outbreak. He is believed to have contracted GBS after drinking contaminated water. Medical experts are warning residents about the risks associated with improperly cooked foods, particularly those linked to Campylobacter jejuni, a bacterium that can cause gastrointestinal infections leading to GBS. Foods like paneer, cheese, and rice should be thoroughly cooked to prevent infection. The recent outbreak of GBS in India has been linked to contaminated water sources in Pune, which have led to a surge in gastroenteritis cases, often preceding GBS. Health officials have identified several crucial preventive measures to mitigate risks. Avoiding unpasteurized dairy products is essential, as they can harbor harmful bacteria. Cooking food properly by ensuring meals reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit helps eliminate pathogens. Practicing good hygiene, including regular hand washing before and after handling food, plays a significant role in preventing infections. Additionally, preventing cross-contamination by using separate utensils for raw and cooked foods can further reduce the risk of bacterial infections that may contribute to GBS. There's good news. GBS can be treated. Early diagnosis is key. Treatments like plasma exchange and immunoglobulin therapy can help speed up recovery. Most people recover fully, but it can take weeks to months. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent GBS, staying healthy is crucial. Avoid infections, get vaccinated when needed, and seek early treatment for illnesses like flu or dengue. Spreading awareness can save lives. If you or someone you know is showing symptoms of GBS like muscle weakness, tingling, or difficulty moving, don't wait. Get help immediately. The faster you act, the better the chances of a full recovery. GBS might be rare, but awareness is the first step to protection. Share this video to spread the word. Drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more health updates. Stay safe.